welcome to Cooking with Cams. My name is Camille and I'm so excited you're here because today I will be making one of my all-time favorite summer treats. It is strawberries and cream popsicles. They're one of my favorites. They taste so good. So today I'll be teaching you how to make them. But before we get started, make sure that your hands are thoroughly clean so you don't get any germs on your food, and make sure you have permission from your parents. So, what you will need is a popsicle mold. My popsicle mold has a cap, which I can stick the popsicle sticks in. Ice trays also works too. You will need popsicle sticks, three different spoons. This one's for mixing, and these two are to make sure that you don't cross-contaminate your food. Then, you will need 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 cups of strawberry, and you can use whichever fruit you want. I'm just using strawberry for today. You'll also need Greek vanilla yogurt. Now the reason we're using Greek is because it's really healthy and it has protein in it. So let's get started. Take your bowl and pour in some strawberries. Pour your strawberries into the bowl. And then you will add your 1 cup of sugar. Then add your vanilla extract. I should get all of that in there. Take your mixing spoon and mix this until it's starting to mix. I'm trying to show you guys here. You're gonna mix it in really well till everything is pretty much sugar coated and has a pretty good coat of vanilla. I'm just gonna mix this up until it's already mixed. And you're gonna start to see the sugar clumping together, and that's when you know it's about ready. So you can see here, that's when it's ready. So next, it's time to use a blender. I'm just gonna take that cap off here. Now, add in your berry mixture. You get all of that sugar in. And then, it's right back on, just like that. And start your blending. So the next step we're going to take after this is the layering process. So the first thing you're going to do is get a spoonful of yogurt and put that in the mold, and then get a spoon of your berry mixture and put that on top of it. And do that until you have it layered at the top. Now I'm going to do it in about 5 seconds for you guys. So I'll see you in just a minute. And now for our very last step. We're going to put the cover on, just like that. That's weird. And we're going to pop in those popsicle sticks. And like that. I'm going to try to make sure that we get it all the way through so they don't fall off when you take them out. More. And we're done. So now all you're going to do is pop them in the freezer for about 3 hours, and then you can take them out and enjoy your delicious summer treats. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun cooking with you. And don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell so you can always know when I post a new video. Bye!